Right. Hat camera on. Okay. Don't know how windy it is out there. I still wanted to go backwards because we might have to retrim it. I've no idea whether there's been any trimming done on this one. Whoa, what's going on there? That really does seem backwards to me. I had this problem when I tried it first of all. Yeah, I'm going down like that and it's tipping forwards. That's got to be the right way round. Camera's at the front. Right, here we go. That wasn't good. Try a bit more power. I'm sure that's reversed. It's certainly reversed what I'm expecting. I would have thought backwards that way would bring it towards me, away from me would take it away. Yeah, it's completely reversed. I'm going to have to read the manual, aren't I? Because I can't fly it like that. Look at that wind. Oh, come on. We want to see if we can get this thing in the air. One more go, then we go and read the instructions. Yeah, I can't do that. I can't fly it backwards. Right, getting desperate now, actually reading the instructions and checking. Elevator. Move your quadcopter forwards and backwards. White arrow pulled backwards should make the quadcopter go backwards. Black arrow forwards should make the quadcopter go forwards. So that's the right direction, but over here, reverse setup. Press and hold the elevator stick for 2 seconds to enter settings mode. Press and hold. 1, 2. There we are, we're in SE mode. Press and hold the elevator trim up or down to reverse the channel. Okay, done that. Then press and hold the elevator stick to confirm and exit. 1, 2. Okay. I don't want to reverse anything else. So, let's see if that made a difference. Okay, so yeah, that's fixed it. So we're going the right direction now. Let's have another go. Alright. Up. Yeah, a bit more up to take off, I think. That's a bit more like it. It's going the direction I want it to. And I think we've just run out of battery. Yeah, they're all flashing, which I think means we're out of battery. Yeah. So at least we've cracked why it wasn't going forwards when I wanted it to. So we'll have to charge it up and then we'll see if we can fly it.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.